Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Oliviabosschickaddo. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning back. Well guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to make your ponytail wig. So if you're interested, please do keep watching and enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay guys, for the items you need for your wig, first of all you need your mannequin head. This is very important. This is going to serve as the base of where you're going to place your net and you're going to sew in your wig. You need a mannequin head, very important. And when you're buying a mannequin head, please always buy the rubber. Don't buy the other one that's kind of plastic, because it is very hard to pierce in your pin through the plastic. So it's preferably you buy the one that is rubber. Then second of all, you need your wig nets. This is a ponytail wig net. We have different type of wig nets, but this particular one is for ponytail. And when you're getting the ponytail wig net, it's either it comes with a pin by the side, and make sure it comes with this particular rope where you can, you're going to see why I said you should get this particular net. It is nice. It is very affordable. I think I got it for 300 naira. I'm going to put the dollar amount on the screen so you can see how much it is in dollar. Also, don't forget your pins. Pins are important when you want to make your wigs. Okay, the next item, very important, your needle and your thread, your sewing needle and thread. I also have that with you. Then I also make sure I have a scissors by my side in case I need it. So it is important to have a scissors by your side so your work won't be rough. That is the reason you should have your scissors by your side. Then for the hair I'm using a very old hair. I've forgotten the name. I'm so sorry, I've forgotten the name. This is an old weave. I have used it before. And I don't want to throw it away, so I just said I should just use it in making this video so you can see how you make your ponytail wig. And it is really super exciting, so do keep watching guys.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't
Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video and this is the finished product. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. More exciting DIYs will come in your way. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.